Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be potting on, oops, there you go, Convolvulus. As you can see, I've only used half the seeds and I've got plenty, so I'll save these for next year, the rest. You can see really stunning colours. It's a hardy annual, it's called Flagship Mix, and it flowers June, August, September, October. So, plant out in May and June. First of all, get your pot. These are 9cm pots that I got off a well-known auction site, 5p each, from a garden centre. Get your compost. This is peat based, so I always use peat based because it retains the moisture really well. First of all, give it a good tap down like so. Then get your plants. If they're like this, just gently tease them apart. Right, there you go. As you can see, that's a real good one. See the roots on that, focus. Right, then make a hole in the centre of your pot, like so. Sometimes it helps to twist the root if you want it to go in. So just twist it gently like that, and then get your compost. Just backfill gently, like so. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to these flowering. Amazing colours on the packet, so these might have pride of place at the front of my borders. We've only been 12 inches high. Give it a tap down, and then into the tray of water. Water a little bit from the top, like so. Leave them in there 20 minutes, half an hour, and then take out. So that's potting on Convolvulus Flagship Mix. There we go, yeah. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.